shop. Check out, see what this fool's got going on. See how much work he's got left on this motor swap that he's doing on his truck. I'll let you guys know what's going on when we get there.
On, baby.
How we doing, Nando?
Sean. We're about to put a locker in the fucking rear diff.
What we got here? What do we got?
We got 6.0 LQ9 from the junkyard
Damn, son.
with the Texas speed cam. 228, 600, 600.
She's a little dirty, but she's still clean.
Yeah, we gotta clean it up a little bit.
Fresh new bumper. Got a little fucked up from Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico got hurt, but oh, baby.
Full walk around. Side dump exhaust. I don't know if you can look at that. Full long tube headers. All TIG welded by him. This whole truck was built by him, the front end. Can't see it really, but this rear bumper, shock mounts. Oh, and then he has that thing. We'll talk about that some other time. All his tools, his shop that he's renting. Fool's hard at work.
Always. We gotta get something done.
Yendo. We used all the high gloss in the damn can. But goddamn, she looked
That
good.
look brand new.
She looked brand spanking new. Here's the old motor. Old ECU. Now he has a 6.0. There we go. 6.0 flashed ECU in there. Still needs to get a street tune on it. Where's the hole in the motor, Nando? Oh, there she is. Hello. Yeah, water in the motor will do that. See, she's still a little wet there. God damn. Better look at the rear end here. She's a little rusty from Mexico. Still a little dirty, but will be cleaned in due time. The custom shock mounts he made. Snug up right up there against the bed, and right now we're doing the gear change on the rear end. Hurry up. Oh, Jesus. Damn, dog. Jimmy with the fucking socket in my nuts, bro.
Go.
Yeah, that's the right side.
Alright, there you go.
Dickhead. Let's see, this motherfucker got me doing shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see what we got here. How good of this film we can get. Motherfucker got some pepper, dog.
Don't drop them.
Right now, what do we got?
Setting up some gears.
Got the new gear on.
436s from factory.
Would you say it was a little bit more bottom end?
Yeah, it's made for 35-inch tires instead of factory with 35-inch tires.
So what is your tire specs that you're running? 315s?
Yeah, 315s, 70-17s.
True.
And we'll probably end up fitting some 35s on the next tire set.
Yes, sir. Just lock tying these babies up.
These things are
Good
backwards thread and trips you.
Trips you out, yes, sir. There we go, baby. Damn. Oh shit. Ah, la verga. No mama sweet.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Look at the difference. Compare them to the other one.
Yeah, a little bit smaller, not gonna lie.
Just a little. This thing should have a ton of torque.
Crazy.
We got the E-locker.
That's what's gonna make the magic happen, baby.
Yeah. When you're on the power, it locks up. so you don't got to run a spool where it's locked up 24/7. So you just run this. As long as you're not on the power, your tires can rotate separately.
Boom. Some facts for you kids.
I'll probably get some new axle seals, replace them because we're already there. We'll be good.
So I guess you're saying fuck it and just run the seals after all, huh? We're chilling.
All right, so
boys, we got her in. That was the biggest pain in my ass in a while. God damn, that shit sucked.
all right, we gotta check for backlash.